Today I'll show you how to block adult websites and unsafe content on any Android phone in just a few minutes. These simple steps will help keep your device and your kids safe online. Let's block unsafe websites directly in Chrome. Open the Chrome browser and tap the three dot on the top and go to settings. Now open privacy and security. Now scroll down, select use secure DNS and select choose another provider, and in custom click on the drop down and select clean browsing family filter. This automatically blocks harmful and adult websites before they even load. Now let's make YouTube safer. To do this, open the YouTube app, tap the profile pic on the down and select the setting gear icon and open the general. In general, the restricted mode option is not visible, guys. So I checked in every options in this section and I went back to general and I can able to see restricted mode now. Turn on this restricted mode. This hides adult and sensitive videos automatically. Finally, lock everything using Play Store parental control. Open your Google Play Store and tap the profile icon. Go to settings, select family parental control. Parental control, click on it and turn on the parental control. Set a strong pin. I'm gonna type 1234. Select OK. And again confirm the pin and select OK. This prevents kids from installing new browsers, VPNs, or adult apps and stop them from turning off your safety settings. Now you will see three options: apps and games, movies, and books. First, tap on apps and games and choose the age rating you want. For small kids, you can select 3 plus or 7 plus just by tapping. For teens, you can select 12 plus or 16 plus. This will block adult apps, dating apps, gambling apps, and violent games. After setting it, select save option and next tap on movies. Select a safe rating like you. So got it. This will hide adult and 18 plus movies from the Play Store. Select the save to save changes. Then tap on books. Turn on this restrict and select got it option. And this will remove adult contents. Select the save option. And that's it. Your Android device is now protected with Google's safety settings. No extra apps needed. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech guides. See you in the next one.